Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the Apple Vision Pro powered and paired. Put it on now. Connect your iPhone and confirm Apple ID to sync settings. Once done, adjust the halo and light seals so the display centers over your eyes. This avoids drift and eye tracking errors. Make sure straps are snug but comfortable to prevent slippage during gestures. Finally, tap the digital crown to wake the system and follow the brief on-screen calibration to register your eyes and hands before proceeding. Now you'll configure the interface and get apps ready. Use the calibration flow to refine eye and hand tracking so selections are precise. This helps with fast targeting and reduces fatigue. Next, open Control Center to adjust display brightness, volume, and spatial audio for immersive balance. Then, install or transfer apps from your iPhone, arrange them in the grid, or pin favorites to the home shelf for quick access. Make sure to grant camera and mic permissions when prompted for full functionality. Finish by practicing the core gestures and navigation so interactions become instinctive. Pinch to select, grab to move objects, and flick to scroll. Use the digital crown to return home or adjust immersion. Once comfortable, check settings for updates, install the latest OS to fix known bugs. If tracking lags or audio desyncs, restart the headset and rerun calibration. If problems persist, capture a diagnostic log and contact Apple support. They can identify hardware faults or advanced configuration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.